Hello and welcome from the Cite Suspendue here at Parc Asterix Resort. This is an incredibly themed hotel, this, full of suspended walkways that go across fields and wilderness. It looks absolutely stunning and it's beautiful. As you can see, it's behind me, there's the reception. We'll have a little bit of a look around there. We'll have a tour around some of the grounds. Casper wants to say hi, and then we'll give you a room tour as well. And it is absolutely phenomenal. The price were relatively reasonable as well. I mean, in terms of breakfast as well, they wanted €17 per person for the breakfast, and that's done by going into the restaurant, going into the reception, and actually booking the reception. You pay there for your breakfast. And then you have to book in advance if you want a meal with the reception, but that's paid in there. So, and then there's you walk in, there's a walkway that goes straight across to Parc Asterix. There isn't any magic hours, there isn't any early ride time or anything like that. It opens at 10, you go in with everybody else, but you do get discount within the park, you get 10% off, which is quite a nice touch, I think. So, come with us and let's check out Cite Suspendue here at Parc Asterix. It's got a lovely look to it, I must say. I do like the old rustic sign that they've got there and the wooden architrave that goes over the top. And it just looks all very rustic and looks really, really nice. It's got lots of lovely theming in here. So let's go inside and we'll have a look. So as you can see, first thing you've got is you've got a really nice rustic looking bench. How thick is that wood? Is that Casper's modelling that there? Is it comfy, that, Casper?
No.
It's not? So you don't want to be sleeping on that then? Oh, so there's a little bit of a game there as well that you can play on as well. So it doesn't actually say what, I think map something up with that. There's also these themed kind of wheels that are in the background there as well, which is quite cool. And then we've got, there's some little bit of, there's a game there as well you can play on. That'll kill some time.
What is it?
Musical instrument. So as you can see, there's some really, really heavy theming that's in here, and it's just absolutely stunning. Just down with the little bits of ornaments that have been dotted around. They look really nice, and yeah, it's really, really well themed. I'm not going to go any further because there's people having their lunch and having a drink to eat. What do you think about this hotel, Casper?
It's actually so nice. Our room is actually so nice.
Well, let's go check it out. Shall we check it out?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on. So we've picked up our room key, and I just want to say that the staff here were incredibly helpful and very nice. Seem really friendly as well. So it's really nice when you come into somewhere and you've got ones that are really happy to help and go out of the way, which is lovely. It's a really nice staff that's in there. So we've got our room key. So I was going to show you the route to our room now. We're in 1121, which is a ground floor room. So there's no going upstairs, which is great because we've got the kids and stuff. So yeah, I also want to say a massive thank you to Parc Asterix as well for the tickets that they've given us for tomorrow. So that's really, really appreciated. So we're going to enjoy that tomorrow and the day after as well. So yeah, can't wait to get on with that. But let's get on with this room tour. So let's check out the Cite Suspendue. So just come out of reception there. So the main route through to where our room is down this way. So we're going to go down this pathway, along here. It's not a long walk, is it, Casper?
No, it's just right round there.
Yeah, it's just round there. So this is the main thing, really. So we've got
to be waiting in there.
That's right, yeah. So if you come down this walkway here, and then just come over this suspended bridge. There is a network of these bridges that go across here, actually. And we're in the first group of rooms that are actually come off them, actually. But there's loads of different ones. So we'll take you to where ours is, but this is quite a short route. It's probably about a 3-minute walk, and you can see that's the restaurant there, which serves this hotel, and that's where you would have your breakfast and evening meal, and there's a bar in there too. It does actually have a number of hotels here, and we're going to be staying in a different hotel tomorrow, so we look forward to bringing you that one as well, and bringing you a vlog from that hotel, because that one looks absolutely incredible, and as always with these hotels, they look absolutely rich with theming, so looking forward to sharing that and can't wait to check it out. So on with this one. So as you can see, they do go on. There's a number of them. You can see all the walkways. They're just down that way. But we're in this first one here, which is called Le Patio, which is just there. So we're in 1121, so we just come down this way. And as we head towards our room. So it's not a long walk whatsoever, which is really nice and welcome when you've got a lot of cases. So lovely bits of theming. It's just dotted around, just bits of ornament. Nothing over the top, but it looks great seeing all those down there and all these suspended buildings and walkways. And it just looks great. So that one's not ours. We're all the way down here. Lead the way, Casper. They're just so brilliantly built, and it really, really does put like the Merlin hotels of Alton Towers to shame when you see this. What was that, Casper?
They're actually called as models.
Oh yeah, they look really cool, don't they? It's just that simple, very simple, and but it looks great. And these lights, I bet it looks so nice at night time, all lit up. We'll come down here, and this is our room that's down here. So we'll get to our room and we'll give you the full room tour, which is something special because these rooms look absolutely fantastic and rich with theming. So yeah, let's go and have a look. We'll get the room key out, and so 1121, that's our key. There we go. So here we are at Cite Suspendue. This is our room. So we've got, I'll start off with the bathroom, which looks really nice. Lovely themed basin there, nice stone. Looks really, really good. And nice walk-in shower there as well, with a great rain shower as well, which is good. A little window out there, which is nice. It's high up as well, so no one's going to be seeing anything, which is good. As we come out here, shall we go any further? Let's have a look here. There's another little door. Where does this take us into a nice bit of storage, where there's also some spare covers, pillows, and a safe as well, which is good. So these two cheeky monkeys that are running around here. And in here, we have got, there's the WC. I really like these toilet seats, these are really good. I know it's not something I really should be fussed about, but I do quite like them. I like the textured walls as well. It's really, the doors are good. Really thick doors as well, isn't it? So, oh, we've got a light in here. So there we go. So, we've literally just landed at the moment. So, we've got all our cases here, so we've got to sort them out. Television set into the wall, that's good, isn't it?
I was like, what's that? I didn't realise it was a TV.
Yeah, and a nice, decent sized bed there as well, which is good. Oh, right. Oh, so there's a window which goes through for us to be able to check on the kids as well, which is good, isn't it? And then we've got, they've given us a cot as well, because obviously they thought that Mrs. Moo here would need one, but she doesn't. And then our view outside, we're on the bottom floor, so all we've got is a view of the pathway there. But there are several floors above which actually will look out across to the open areas as well, which is quite good. Yeah, looks like, what do you think?
It's lovely.
It's lovely, isn't it? It's really well themed.
Yeah, it's all the building that it's in.
Yeah.
We'll see in the rest of the vlog, but yeah, it's.
I'd say it does put all the Alton Towers in the Merlin hotels to shame, doesn't it? When you see how well put together it is, it's absolutely lovely, and everything just feels like quite premium as well, doesn't it? And I said it was quite premium, and then I've got wobbly with it, but so that's kind of makes me look a bit daft now, doesn't it? Well, it did look quite premium, apart from a wobbly headboard thing.
Not a headboard either.
What is it? Bedpost. Wobbly. I'm going to stop doing that now. That one's all right. So yeah, that's our room tour here at La Cite Suspendue at Parc Asterix. And it looks nice, doesn't it? So this is where we're going to be spending the night. So do you like it, Casper?
Yeah.
Is it good? Eden, do you like this hotel?
Yeah.
There we go. So that's the hotel room tour.